This is my Kohler toilet, and when I press down the button, it stays down. I have to lift it up sometimes. So I'm gonna look at this to see what's the problem. Hopefully it's not a big deal. I've already replaced the flap and the little floaty thingy years ago, like 5 years ago, but maybe I didn't do a good job of installing it. So you can see over here, um, the floaty thingy is down over there. When I press on it, it should come down like that and close it. So I need to figure out why sometimes it sticks. Let me try it again. You can see this time it worked. I'm really confused why I get stuck. I don't see that it's broken or anything. It's just really dirty. One last try. I'm gonna press it down. You can see it's stuck over here. And it's just not quite going down all the way. It's like this handle is stuck. See, I just got to unstick. Like that. The handle is stuck for some reason. It's like it's not heavy enough to bring it down. Maybe I need to add more weight. So I don't think it's this piece over here. I think it's this piece, the handle itself isn't working well. So I need to figure out how to fix that or replace it. Because it's just getting stuck. I can show you over here. And it's not coming down on the weight. I mean, I can make it heavier. I can make this thing heavier if I wanted to. I would push down on it. But anyways, I need to do more research. Broken handle on my